Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am getting ready for work and just wanted to film this quick video. I picked up this bronzer, Baby Got Bronze, from Essence the other day at the drugstore and wanted to kind of show you guys what it looks like and the makeup look to create with it. Also just this simple everyday kind of work makeup look if you guys are interested in that and want to see and hear a little bit more about the bronzer, then just keep watching. First, I'm going to start off with my Summer Fridays Sheer Skin Tint. I have this in the shade 4, and I really enjoy this as just a super light sheer coverage that also gives me kind of like a muted look on my face. Like just kind of lightly evens everything out and just makes your skin look smoother and just your pores look a little bit more minimized. I really, really like it. So we're just gonna put that on first. Just like to use my hands with this because it's so sheer. I don't want any of the product going on the brush. I will say, though, I did have some little breakouts recently, and I wasn't using this consistently, but I don't tend to get breakouts, so I'm like, was it this? And then I feel like I read some of the reviews, like the reviews were very good, but the ones that weren't good were like, gave me massive breakouts. So that's a little like, could be something. I take my super glowy gel from Saie in the color, the shade Star Glow, and I'm just going to apply that on the tops of my cheekbones and kind of in and around under my eye where I'm going to place my concealer. I like doing this with liquid highlighters, like super sheer ones, just to give a little bit of a light glow underneath the eye. Little bit extra hydration too. My concealer, I'm going in with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. I have this in the shade Light Medium Beige. I tend to gravitate towards this one. Out of all the concealers that I could pick, this is like the one that I enjoy the most. Just a light finish, dries down nicely, gives you a good kind of light medium coverage, and it doesn't settle into the creases underneath my eyes. So I super enjoy this one. So you can see it's just a nice fresh look under the eyes with that concealer. All right, so I'm going to show you guys the Essence bronzer that I picked up, Baby Got Bronze. This smells like, oh, what does it smell like? A Starburst. And like bubblegum and ice cream. It smells so good, and it's actually pretty creamy. It's got some nice pigment to it too, and it just gives you like a nice bronzed golden dewy look without being too dewy. It's got really good pigment though, and the price, it's like, how much was it? I'll put on the screen how much it was, but Essence is so affordable and they have like some really, really nice products. So I have been loving this one lately and just going in with just this sometimes, not doing like a contour, just doing some bronze. And I love it. Like you just get such a nice golden glow. Definitely better than the Putty bronzer from e.l.f. I love how emollient it is. Like it just blends out so nice. It gives you such a nice glow. And you could just keep building it up. Put some on my neck. And then sometimes I'll just go in with a contour after if I want to add a little contour. But this is so affordable and just delish. You just want to eat it. I'm just going to add a hint of contour. I'm just going to use my Makeup by Mario and just kind of go right at the back portion of my cheekbone. Just right there, just to keep the fullness in my cheeks from the bronzer, just to add a little bit of depth to the outer part of my face. And then definitely on my neck. This is where I love to add the most bronzer and most contour, is on my neck. I'm going to go in with the e.l.f.'s Rosé You Slay just to keep that fullness in the cheeks. I'm just going to pop that up on top of the apples of my cheeks, kind of like rounding it out a little bit. So it's just sitting right where you would get sun-kissed. And it's just going to bring some fullness to the tops of the cheeks. All right, so I just put some mascara and eyeliner on. This is the final look. I am ready for work. Quick and easy, simple makeup look. I love this Baby Got Bronze. I highly recommend it. It is an awesome cream bronzer if you're looking for a drugstore cream bronzer that works really well, pigmented, lasts all day, smells amazing, and looks beautiful on the skin. This one by Essence is a sure winner. Good little tip for making those cheeks look fuller with blush is just kind of rounding it out on the tops of your cheeks. It'll give you that nice kind of sun-kissed look and fullness to the cheeks. All right, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon.